Hey guys, today in this video we are going to learn on how to check mutual friends on Snapchat. And all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application, and we're going to tap on the message icon that is here at the bottom, and then we're going to tap on add friends here at the top. If we were to go down here at quick add, we can see people who have mutual friends. Like, it will be written just below their names if they have mutual friends, and those mutual friends might be the people that we have followed and that are related to the people that we have followed. And most of the time they might be located here at the quick add, or the people might have already added you into as your friends. The thing is that we have no way to know who the mutual friends is in Snapchat. Likes to keep it private. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.